Ever wondered how artists create such realistic and depth-filled drawings? The secret lies in mastering the value scale. This isn't a magic wand, but a fundamental concept representing the lightness or darkness of an object. The transformation that mastering this scale can bring to your drawings is remarkable. It's like learning to see the world in a whole new light, literally. With it, you can create depth, atmosphere, and lifelike realism that can take your drawings from good to great. Stick around to unlock the steps to master the value scale and take your drawings to the next level. To harness the power of the value scale, first, we need to understand what it is. Imagine a spectrum, a range of tones that extends from pure white to absolute black. This, dear friends, is what we call the value scale. It's a crucial tool in the world of drawing, a secret weapon that can turn a flat sketch into a lifelike masterpiece. The value scale serves as our guide to representing the lightness or darkness of an object in our drawings. It's all about observation and comparison. Look at the world around you. Notice how the play of light and shadow creates a variety of tones? That's where the value scale comes in. By accurately depicting these different values, we can create depth and atmosphere in our drawings. Think of a foggy morning landscape or the intricate folds of a satin dress. These aren't just about lines and shapes, but a complex dance of light and dark values. And remember, the value scale isn't just black and white. It's a symphony of grays, each one a stepping stone from light to dark. It's these subtle shifts in value that can breathe life into your drawings, creating a sense of depth and dimension. Now that you're familiar with the value scale, let's dive into the steps to master it. Step 1 in mastering the value scale is establishing the lightest and darkest values. Diving into this first step, you'll soon discover the magic of contrast. It's like the ebb and flow of the tide, the dance between night and day. You see, in any drawing, it's the lightest and darkest values that give life to your art, providing that essential sense of depth and realism. Imagine, if you will, a world without shadows or highlights. It's a flat, two-dimensional space, devoid of character, isn't it? Now, bring in the lightest whites and the darkest blacks. Suddenly, your art springs to life, taking on a three-dimensional form. So, how do we go about determining these values? You start by looking at your subject matter, identifying the areas of highest light and deepest shadow. These become your extreme values on the scale. Remember, accuracy is key. If you depict these values accurately, your art can evoke the same feelings as the real-life subject. It's like capturing reality in the palm of your hand. Isn't that a thrilling thought? With the lightest and darkest values established, we're ready for the next step. Step 2 involves determining the middle value and filling in the remaining values. In this step, you'll be playing with shades of gray. Imagine a scale, with pure white on one end and pitch black on the other. Your mission now is to pinpoint the middle value, that perfect shade of gray that sits exactly between light and dark. Once you've found your middle ground, it's time to gradually fill in the remaining values. This requires patience and precision. You'll be creating a range of grays, each subtly different from the last, but all crucial to the overall effect of your drawing. These shades are your building blocks, and with them, you'll construct depth and atmosphere, making your drawing come alive. Remember, accuracy is key here. Regularly compare your shades to each other and adjust as necessary. It's this meticulous attention to detail that will enhance the realism of your artwork. And don't be disheartened if it doesn't come together immediately. Mastery takes time and practice. But trust me, the rewards are worth the effort. By now, your drawing should start to take on a more realistic and depth-filled appearance. Mastering the value scale can transform your drawings, adding depth and realism like never before. Remember, understanding this tool is imperative. It's all about establishing the lightest and darkest values, then identifying that all-important middle value. From there, you gradually fill in the remaining values, adjusting for accuracy as you go. This is no mere technique, it's a fundamental skill, a cornerstone for creating lifelike drawings. We are excited to see how mastering the value scale will elevate your art. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow art enthusiasts.